Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're returning, welcome back. For those of you that may not know, on my channel you can find some trash to treasures, DIYs, look for less, thrift flips, trash flips, home decor, a little bit of cooking, basically anything that has to do with the home and home decor. Um, For today's video, I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Regal Designs by Shushuana. Um, if you haven't checked out her channel, please make sure you check it out. She's got some amazing things on there. And then for all of July, she's doing the Christmas theme. So do check her channel out. I will have a link to her channel below. She is co-hosting with Tamara over at Love My Babies Forever. Tamara has a really cool channel. She does, your DIY stuff, trash to treasure, thrift flips, etc. She does also cool tablescapes, lots of glam and glitz type of stuff too. So check out her channel. Her channel link will be listed in my description as well. Make sure you guys check out the playlist as well because there'll be lots of cool Christmas DIYs. So for the challenge, we had to create a Christmas themed DIY. Could have been anything. Just had to be from a dollar store, and I chose to do a Disney theme and make some Mickey ornaments. So as you can tell from my picture, I'm going to be making Mickey heads, and I got these styrofoam balls at the Dollar Tree. The big ones were, actually they were both $1.25, but the big ones were two for $1.25, and the little ones were the package for $1.25. I'm in Canada, so everything is $1.25 instead of $1. And I'm going to be just using my hot glue gun to attach the small balls to the big styrofoam ball, so it'll look like a Mickey head. I'm going to do this for both of the Christmas ornaments. So just attach the ears to the head, and then I'll be spray painting them black just using, I actually just had a black spray paint laying around that my husband used. I think it's for metal. So we'll see how we'll see how it turns out. And it turned out okay to paint with it. I thought I had my Rust-Oleum left, but I did not. So but it worked fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray paint them. I won't be recording myself spray painting them, but once they dry, I'll show you what I'm doing next. So I had to do 2 coats of the spray paint, and this is what they turned out. So you can still see the styrofoam, which I'm okay with. I knew they wouldn't be perfect and glossy, but that's okay. It's a vintage Mickey. So I'm going to be adding this glitter that I also got at the Dollar Tree. It's just a fine red glitter. And my idea was to use this glue that I got off of Amazon. It's just a color glue, and it was a sparkly red. So I thought, oh, that would be perfect to attach the glitter because then you won't see the glue. However, it wasn't working the way I wanted it to, so I wound up going back to Mod Podge. The glue I got for a project, well, for making slime with my sons. So as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm sprinkling the glitter over top of the glue to achieve the sparkling red effect at the bottom. I thought about putting tape so it would be straight, like more straight, but it was pretty straight this way, and I was okay with it. I was worried that if I put any kind of tape, it might either take the paint off or ruin the styrofoam. So doing it with the Mod Podge turned out to be better. So you can see I'm switching over now to the Mod Podge. And when you're putting the Mod Podge on, you just want to rub it on the surface where you want the glitter to go, and then you just put your glitter over top. And I'll be reusing the glitter that falls on the other one, and you just repeat this step until you get the amount of glitter that you wanted and the darkness that you wanted. And then to seal it, I'm just going to be applying Mod Podge over top once the glitter is set in a bit. So I give it, like 20 minutes to set in, and then I put Mod Podge over top of it just to seal it a bit more. So when I go to hang them, I will either just stick them into the tree, or I will attach one of the ornament hanger little metal pieces and just poke it through the styrofoam. So the final product turned out really cute. They'll look good if I manage to make the whole tree. If not, I have a tree where I have red and gold, so I can always add them to that tree. If you liked what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. Check out the playlist, check out the hosts, and check out these videos that I've suggested for you at the end. Thanks for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe.